आपका यकीन बनती है एक विचारधारा। आपकी विचारधारा बनती है आपके शब्द। आपकी कार्य शक्ति बनती है एक प्रथा।
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे,
यही प्रथा बनती है हम सबका आदर्श।
जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो,
और यही आदर्श बनते हैं हमारा भाग्य। महात्मा गांधी जी की स्वदेशी की सोच ने हमारे देश को स्वतंत्रता की ओर गतिशील किया। आओ इस गांधी जयंती पर निश्चय करें, स्वदेशी की ताकत को हमारे देश की ताकत बनाएं।
Today we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. Gandhiji was also the father of nation. Gandhi Jayanti is the national festival of India. Gandhiji led the Satyagraha movement. Gandhiji was a simple man. He wore a simple dress. He weaved his own clothes prepared on the hand weave. I am going to sing Babuji's one of the favorite song, Vaishnava Janato. Vaishnava Janato देने का ये जे, पेड़ पर आए जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो देने का ये जे, पेड़ पर आए जाने रे। पर दुख के उपकार करे तोरी, मना अभिमान ना आने रे। वैष्णव जन तो देने कहिए जे, पेड़ पर आए जाने रे। सगल लोग मां सगुनी वंदे, निंदा नगरे केणी रे। सगल लोग मां सगुनी वंदे, निंदा नगरे केणी रे। वाचिकाच मना निचने रागे, धन धन जननी तेनी रे। वैष्णव जन तो देने काहिए जे, पेड़ पर आए जाने रे। The future depends on what we do in the present. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all my dear friends. Jai Hind.
ഇന്ന് ഒക്ടോബർ 2 നമ്മുടെ രാഷ്ട്രപിതാവായ മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധിയുടെ ജന്മദിനം. ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് അടിമത്തത്തിൽ നിന്നും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ്റെ പൊൻപുലരിയിലേക്ക് രാജ്യത്തെ നയിച്ച ധീര നേതാവാണ് ഗാന്ധിജി. പ്രവർത്തിക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മരിക്കുക എന്ന് ആഹ്വാനം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് അദ്ദേഹം ഇന്ത്യൻ ജനതയെ ആവേശം കൊള്ളിച്ചു. അക്രമരഹിതമായ സമരമായിരുന്നു ഗാന്ധിജിയുടേത്. ആയുധമെടുക്കാതെ പോരാടുക, സത്യവും ധർമ്മവും നീതിയും ഉയർത്തിപ്പിടിക്കുക എന്നതായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ തത്വം. ലളിതമായ ജീവിതവും ഉന്നതമായ ചിന്തയുമായിരുന്നു ഗാന്ധിജിയുടെ സവിശേഷത. ജാതിമത ചിന്തകൾ വെടിഞ്ഞ് പരസ്പരം സ്നേഹത്തോടെ ജീവിക്കുവാൻ അദ്ദേഹം ആഹ്വാനം ചെയ്തു. സത്യത്തിനും ധർമ്മത്തിനും വേണ്ടി ജീവിതകാലം മുഴുവൻ അദ്ദേഹം പോരാടുകയും ഒടുവിൽ രാജ്യത്തിനു വേണ്ടി ജീവൻ ബലിയർപ്പിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. ഗാന്ധിജി തൻ്റെ ജീവിതത്തിലൂടെ വരച്ചു കാട്ടിയ സന്ദേശങ്ങൾ പ്രാവർത്തികമാക്കാൻ നമുക്കും ശ്രമിക്കാം.
എൻ്റെ ജീവിതമാണ് എൻ്റെ സന്ദേശം. Jai Hind to all. Today is October 2, Gandhi Jayanti. I welcome all of you to my presentation about Gandhi. Let us watch the presentation. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. Every year, 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. His father, Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi, served as the Diwan of Porbandar state. In May 1883, 13-year-old Mohandas was married to 14-year-old Kasturba Mohandas Gandhi in an arranged marriage according to the custom of the region at that time. On 4 September 1888, Gandhi sailed from Bombay to London with his brother, seeing him off. Gandhi attended University College London, a constituent college of the University of London. In April 1893, Gandhi set sail for South Africa to be the lawyer for Abdullah's cousin. He spent 21 years in South Africa, where he developed his political views, ethics, and politics. During Boer War, Gandhi volunteered in 19,000 to form a group of stretcher bearers as the Nadal Indian Ambulance Corps. In 1906, the Transvaal government promulgated a new act compelling registration of the colony's Indian and Chinese populations. At a mass protest meeting held in Johannesburg on 11 September that year, Gandhi adopted his still evolving methodology of satyagraha or non-violent protest for the first time. In 1910, Gandhi established, with the help of his friend Herman Kallenbach, an idealistic community they named Tolstoy Farm near Johannesburg. There, he nurtured his policy of peaceful resistance. As the request of Gopalakrishna Gokhale conveyed to him by C.F. Andrews, Gandhi returned to India in 1915. He brought an international reputation as a leading Indian nationalist, theorist, and community organizer. Gandhi's first major achievement came in 1917 with Champaran agitation in Bihar. Pursuing a strategy of non-violent protest, Gandhi took the administration by surprise and won concessions from the authorities. Gandhiji organized the Kheda Satyagraha of 1918 in the Kheda district of Gujarat. He organized this movement to support peasants. In 1919, following First World War, Gandhi sought political cooperation from Muslims in his fight against
British imperialism by supporting the Ottoman Empire that had been defeated in the World War. It was Mahatma Gandhi who proposed the non-cooperation movement, a political campaign launched on 4 September 1920 to have Indians revoke their cooperation from the British government with the aim of including the British to grant self-governance and full independence to India. But the movement was withdrawn after the Chauri Chaura incident on 18 March 1922, and Gandhi was imprisoned for 6 years for publishing seditious materials. Gandhi then launched a new satyagraha against the British salt tax in March 1930. This was highlighted by the Salt March to Dandi from 12 March to 6 April, where together with 78 volunteers he marched 388 kilometers from Ahmedabad to Dandi, Gujarat to make salt himself with the declared intention of breaking the salt laws. The march took 25 days to cover 240 miles, with Gandhi speaking to often huge crowds along the way. Gandhi intensified his demand for independence, calling for the British to quit India on 8 August 1942 at the Gwalior Tank Maidan in Mumbai. He argued Indians to karo ya maro, do or die, in the cause of their rights and freedoms. The British government responded quickly to the Quit India speech, and within hours after Gandhi's speech arrested Gandhi and all the members of the Congress Working Committee. The Muslim League demanded divide and quit India. Gandhi opposed the partition of Indian subcontinent along religious lines. On 3rd June 1947, Viscount Louis Mountbatten announced the partitioning of British India into India and Pakistan. On 14 August 1947, at 11:57 p.m., Pakistan was declared a separate nation and India got freedom. Sabarmati Ashram was one of the many residences of Gandhi. Sevagram was the place of Mahatma Gandhi's ashram and his residence from 1936 to his death in 1948. Gandhi led a very simple life. On 30 January 1948, at the age of 78, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Vinayak Godse. And thus the light was gone out from our lives.